Sorry, let me clear the chat. No, let me delete this one. I was doing session with someone about price. What is change of state of the CISD? What's that? So someone was wanted to understand that concept. So I will take it from this point. Okay. So guys, I don't want to 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 go far. I would like just to handle what I can see, and that's what price is all about. Okay. On last, I did this video. There's a video NZD GBPNZD GN. So I would like to go through all this, okay, because we have something here. So you remember we had, like I said, we had GBPNZD as our good pair also for the second class pair. So we had a sell on GBPNZD, and we on Friday Thursday. This was on a Friday, okay. So look here, this was on a Friday. This is Friday, right? Okay. So I would like to go to be clear here. Someone was asking me about it, so I decided to do a video to explain it further, right? So look here, we were bearish. We broke that structure down. On Friday, market went at least at the half of the half price of the liquidity, the fair value of liquidity. So we had an order block also there. And remember, like what we said, this happened on Friday. So Monday, what we could see on Monday, it's only highs and a liquidity that is taken. Okay, so it is taken, but market did not distribute. It is taken, but market did not sell. Right? To me, I did a video about it. So I did the video. I said we have a Viva lookup whereby it shows that it is taken. So it's a valid one. So either we open up, go taking this high, Friday's high, or going for a weekly high. And this is a valid order block because market has done nothing. Yes, we tapped in the order block, but we did nothing. Okay. So on Monday, we open in on Monday here. We opened on Monday here. Okay. So let's say we were sleeping. This is opening price. Okay. We were sleeping. We anticipate to sell. We were sleeping. 5. Okay. This is where I got in, and this is where the price was. So now let's cause we woke up in the morning like the 7 or 8 a.m., right? So let's see what was happening. Everything is well seen. This is very clear, very clear, very clear. So let me show you this, guys. Now you can see market price opened and there's an order block here. Okay, so we already have our confirmations. Like this is a confirmation that this is an order block that is tapped in. This is a Viva lookup that we had in the middle of it. Okay, so on Monday price opened, went up. Okay, we were sleeping at that time. So look here. Now this is where I think I was live. So some team of mine. So we would like to see what will be happening at 10, from 10. Okay, from 10. And this is what we had. We had an order block. I can see I have already marked it. We had an order block and a fair value gap here. Okay, a fair value gap there. So let me remove this one. Let me remove this one. Okay, so I do like those indicators. They are just there to guide you, to guide me, to guide you. So at least they will help you see, but don't rely on them. It's good for you to, it's good you train yourself to see this fair value gap, the order blocks and all that, because these indicators sometimes they repair, they move. Yeah. So now At this time, okay, at this time, we were looking to enter, and this is where we had our entry. So market before 10 had tapped inside there before 10. This we cannot use this one. We have to use price inside here. Okay. So our confirmations are met. Everything is okay, only waiting for the entry. And this is what we had. This half of this have a look up was tapped. And also for entry, we don't wait till it takes to the high. When it hit the if you ever look up, we take it. The stop loss is above the swing high, the current swing high. So if market to 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 fails to sell from this zone, it takes this. You accept it. Accept it, right? Okay. So if still it's within your window, entry window, the time frame, you can look for more entries because sometimes it can happen like liquidity sweep. And I will show that as we proceed. So that was our entry. Okay. And like always, I trade with standard deviation. So where is the high that caused our also? Let's see, the market opened here, went up, broke this low. So that's where we have. What is what we have? This is the standard deviation I always talk about. Okay, this is our standard deviation that I do talk about. This is a big one. It's a big one. Okay, it's a big one because we are bearish. I know we're bearish, and I was sure that market can fail to come back there. So this is the current low that let's see where the we would like to see where the weekly low is, so that because that is the last price that we can hold market up to. So it is where this is the weekly Monday. Yeah. So this was our take profit. Okay. So we don't do more than the previous week low. So that because market can do wonders from that zone. Okay. Aha, let's see what happened. What happened? So sorry. Let me remove this price thing. Sorry. What was that? Like to remove something here. Price, yeah, it was dirty. It was looking bad. Now, so now this was our entry. Our tip is like we do always, guys say, I don't do more than 1.5. Okay, I don't do more than 1.5. So let's leave that alone. Okay, let's leave that alone. I would like to remove this one. And then let me lock these ones. It's very simple, guys, and nothing much. Very clean, very few lines. It's not complicated. Very simple. I've I've been keeping this thing simple as I can, as simple as I can. Now I won't draw because I would like to remove this and show you something. I was telling you something. There's something we call refined entries. Okay. Uh, did I talk about refined entries? Sorry, I was doing a session with someone. I was doing he's in the group, so I was doing about refined entries. So that's the I think that's the same thing that have said here. I'm going to show you something about refined entries. So what is refined? After market broke below here, left gave us an entry and an order block in the value gap. Okay, you will see market tend to go up, go down, then they take out the high. Yeah, they take the current high. Okay, inside inside our point of interest where we are taking our entries. So this was refined by taking this liquidity that happened before this this present time married, before present time married, before present time met. See, so market tend to always go and do that thing, and that's what we call it. That is what we call it. And if some people, the big boys, they even some don't use buyers. They wait. If they know they're bearish, it's only it's only three things. Know the buyers. Okay, you know you're bearish or bullish. Wait market to point any order block or any fair value gap. If market gets there, you wait to see if market will do that. Refine it will refine the will filter the noise and give you the sure entry. And still, this is what we call SMT. It's almost the same. It's almost the same thing. So in this forex market, someone can call one thing, or people to call them different ways. It's one thing, but they use different terms to explain or to tell, because we are different, yes, and we understand things different. So from the we get in the class and when the teacher is trying to elaborate something, we yes we get the same thing, but when we get down the books and write, we write in a different way. It's the same thing. Okay, so there's an SMT here. Before you get an entry, wait. When you see the SMT, sell inside your, when you wait the market takes the high, then you sell. When the market does the engulfing candlestick, it's a lot of things. So I can even also do do this analysis with even different languages, like after I see engulfing candlestick or no, a lot of things. Okay. I wait for the market to do the adjustment to happen. It's the same thing. Okay. So someone was asking me, bro, you don't mind the inducement. And inducement is in my strategy. Only that I did not want to put things so complicated to people, because I've come to realize people are fearing this whatever ICT concept, because there's a lot of terms, a lot of things that even nobody else. So you will start to explain some what is inducement, what is this, and. But when I do it simple, you understand what you're doing. I can come back and now explain to you now. That is now the inducement. That is where the position are being set. The order block means there is a lot of liquidity. There is a lot of this and that. There's the big boys institutions have placed their orders. There's a lot of volume at that level. Those things, you see. So like I was saying, this did it. Okay, we went down. Now look here. We opened. Price opened on Tuesday. That is today. Okay, look here, guys. I would like us to go together here, because this was very important to me also. Because those, let me now click here and try to take my S4. Okay, so I was here because I met this kind of setup. Market was two-way low. Look here, but can you see? Can you see? We had weekly low. We are at weekly low. Then, as I was waiting to see market, hmm, what will be happening, because the only what I had here was this liquidity, this order block, and there was this fair value gap. Okay, but can you see? I don't take there's no way you can take a fair value gap that looks like this. Okay, and there's no price, you cannot take it. Okay, because look here, we had this. Let me remove this and show you. I saw this. I saw this. Price had come and tapped the weekly low, the previous week low. Okay, and that was a red flag. That was a red flag. Okay, so there's no way I could keep on selling at weekly low when the price already has gone below the weekly low. Okay, this happened to me today. So the only thing that I was remaining with to keep on going down, because price is not much price to go down. When we took this, I saw this liquidity, and this is a serious liquidity taken. Okay, so the only thing that can make this market go down is to take another liquidity, and this is where the liquidity was. Okay, this is where the liquidity was. You see, so market went up, took that liquidity, and came down. Now I was here at 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 New York session. So we took this high, we broke below this. Let me draw it. What's that? We broke below this. Okay, so we are left with this order block and gap. Okay, now let's go to our time. Where is the time? Time and price, time and price, time and price. So market was going down, gave us this value gap. So this was our entry. Okay, I was waiting price to see price here. Okay, and price did not come here, but also we had this value gap here. We think because of this, can you see these are red candlestick and these are red candlestick? There's a gap between there. So I knew market can also turn from this zone down, or else can come back here. But this was a stop. So this was very big. This was a very big one. To me, it was a very big one because I had a big lot size. Okay, and this was the low. I cannot go below that. When liquidity is below me, that's the way I take my profits. So I did one position here. Okay, one position. I said, I made something in the morning. I made some good money. Let me now risk $30. Okay, but I'll take like 120. Okay, it was one something. It was 130 something. Yeah. So this was my entry, and it was funny. I slept. I slept, and I woke up. There's no trade. My account running. I'm in profits. Okay. So we close GBPNZD. We are done. It doesn't matter even if it goes where, even if it goes up, even if it goes down, even if it goes, I don't care. I'm out. I'm done with GBPNZD. Okay. Okay. So now let's get to GBPcad. Guys, this video is in my YouTube channel and also it is in your Telegram and WhatsApp group. Okay. I did this video. So if you did not even look here, don't even take many pairs. Try to just pick 3. Okay, what I will tell you, any pair with Audi NZD or a pair with Audi CHF, you can ignore them. But any pair with GBP card inside it and USD inside it, they are good pairs. Okay, the JPYs, any pair with JPYs, any pair with card, any pair with GBP, any pair with USD, they are good. You know the reason why this Audi and ZD, they are pairs. We put them during the Asian session. So if the entry don't come early in the morning, it's a tricky pair. So even with time, I'm going I'm not going to be taking those trades because they are very poor. They don't perform well. But the time it's not a good thing. I don't like them also. But now I will also, when I'm doing my my buyers, I will try to put them aside. But they are good to learn also. When I like have the buyers, I give the buyers, that you can follow. Yeah, you can follow and see if you can get opportunities. So sometimes we can fail to get opportunities from those pairs that like they are good pairs for us. Like the pairs those can at least moves well in the market. So we can consider them at that point. Okay. So let's now get back to what we were doing now. Okay. Also, we follow the price and also we do the reason why you can see I have a drawing above here because okay, so we do check what is happening at the left side also. So we were here. This is last week. Let me see where we are starting. Last Monday. So let's see the previous. This was the Monday, and we can see market We had this high, and this high was taken. Okay, and market, we have this low. Market took this low. This low was taken. Okay, so me, I don't analyze charts. I don't get the charts from I don't know, top down analysis for monthly, weekly to get the buyers. No, I don't do that. That's nonsense. To me, it's nonsense. But to others, it's okay. Me, I do appreciate everyone what is doing in this forex market. We are different. We are different. Okay. So I don't have to go back there and keep on doing some things. Yeah. No, I have no time. I want to keep this thing simple, very simple to me, because I know what I have, the data, I have information. It's about information. The reason why I go down top down and land is no, no, that. I don't do that. I don't do that. And anyone who is in my group and feels like Vincent is doing something, get out. Just leave. Left. Leave. I do see some people left. Left. Because I went in, someone left, I don't know it was when, like this week, Sunday or Monday. And then I went to his inbox and why did you leave? But we are doing the good thing there, guys. We're learning together. Like I said, ah, this thing is not, you know, I was thinking I can just make money, but you cannot make money in this thing is very hard. No, no. Hi guys, man. You should, that's being stupid. Okay. Hakuna kuchoka. Watu wataki kuchoka. Wanataka pesa. Surely. Like even now, I'm like I'm having headache, man. Yeah. After at at New York time, the first hour, I was tired upon the head first to rest. Sometimes I don't sleep overnight. I'm here doing things, man. Guys, invest in this. And you're lucky that I'm going through a lot for you to be at least to see light in this forex market. No, we're different. God has different ways to get to his people. No, they will never come across an angel. An angel will be just someone outside there who is your destiny helper. No, so let's now continue with our thing. We had broke below this. Okay, let's see if we have inducement. Market went down. Okay, this not we can count as inducement. So we are going to I'm trying to analyze market to come to this point. This is where we come in. So we went up again. Okay. So what we have here, because now market kind of went back again. So this was kind of the order block. So this shows there's a lot of liquidity sleeping there. So it's either we take this high. Okay. We failed to take that high. We failed to take that high. So market closed there. Guys, I'm a liquidity trader. Okay. So I don't do stupid things like I say, Mimi, we did not take that high. Okay. So market, we can count this as an order block. Okay. This is an order block. Okay. So market went above that order block. So we could look for sales here that week, because I knew Gbpcad the last week was bearish also. We did this. We had this trade. So this is just a market revision. I'm revising the market also. When I wake up, before I even do anything, I do revise the market, because I'm trying to see. I would like this kind of thing, thing because it's like an habit. When you train yourself like doing something each and every time, you'll find that every time you look at it, you see, there's a setup. It's the same thing. It will sink, it will stick in you. So it's a good thing also to try to see, yeah, what happened. Why did market? Okay, we know about order blocks. That's what happened. Okay, so we were going down here, like say it was respected. So an entry there. So market went down again. Okay, I'm looking for something. I know what I'm looking for. So sometimes we're looking for the refined position. A liquidity that is taken while the market structure was forming. So I'm going for it. I'm going for it. So market broke below it, okay, up, went down again. This is what we have now. This is what I was looking for. Okay, that's what I was looking for. And when was that? Thursday. Then we have Friday. Okay. So on Monday, we had now this, we took this high and market candlestick closed below. Candlestick went above that, then closed below this opening price. Hello. Yeah, I know we are getting somewhere. Hmm? We're going to get there also. Don't worry. These things are here with me. So that was a confirmation that market can, yes, try to come and take this liquidity above or do what on Friday. But market did not do that. On Friday, we sold. Okay. So now we come, now the new week, we know we bearish. One, at H4. Okay. We have ever look up. Second, an order block. Okay. Let me delete and come back again. This is an indicator that can tell you when to, dollars here, liquidity means liquidity. Also, I would like to say something about that software. I don't even just imagine I don't use it. I don't use it. It guides me. It tells me there's something there. So if I'm a daily trader, okay? If I'm a daily trader, I cannot take trade before that software shows me where the liquidities are. So liquidity is taken, then it disappears, right? Okay. So when liquidity is taken and it sticks there without repainting, without moving, I will start looking for positions to that direction till I take that liquidity below. So liquidity is everywhere in this market. Also, this is liquidity sleeping. Okay. So I was looking for the end. Good luck. It went, our analysis we went the direction of our analysis, right? So now we had this order block. We mark from the body, and we had this favor lookup. I gave this trade to you guys from my for free on my inbox, and people were making noise. Some people have paid a lot for it. I've paid for this. I did, no, I guys. I am not calling anyone to come and pay for anything, but it's only because if you know what you want, you will come to me. If you know what you want, and I'm telling you guys, this thing will make you retire. I swear. Even today, I give a signal for you. It was what? Gold. Just imagine someone had a $7. He made $3. That is like 500 bucks. The other guy was like as G 4 point something. Small account. That was 600. Someone was at, we had also the same. They bought the account. I- Someone was, even someone, just imagine, even someone did for the $400. I even not, let me see. Sometimes, guys, don't joke with this thing. This thing is real, real. Let me see his. I got his screenshots here. Account was okay. The guy is at my VIP, and also even I can do a screenshot on that one. There's an account that he sent me something, and yes, he did 317 US dollars profit. Hmm? Okay, so guys, be serious. Try to, if, even if you don't get in live trading now, try to have that desire. Just dream of being a good forex trader. Don't dream being the big, like the other guys doing your big cars. No, just think of just making small that can sustain you, because from making that small in this forex market, you are growing. This market is sinking in you, in yourself, soul, in your heart, in your mind, because this thing is kind of looks, it's kind of cut. When you start it, you never leave it. You know, when you make like little today and tomorrow, it will you will keep on doing that every time. It's kind of addictive, and whereby it's a good addiction when you have the knowledge and you've gone through mentorship, or else you've gone something that a way that you can at least come up with a decision this market to make money. So we bearish at this, and so we were waiting to see the order block tapped, whereby an order block that is followed by an value gap. It's a very strong one. So it's now what filters that out. It's our time zone, and when we were getting to this place, even I think my guys, my strategy is has very small stop loss. Okay, so let me move this one because now we know it's candlestick, and this trade I took it. I gave you the so yeah, we had that order block there for entry, and then that fair value gap. But for entries, most likely we do mind the fair value gaps, right? Reason behind, because market can fail to get the order blocks, right? So now this that where our entry was. I think we had this. It is in our group. So anyone who wants to join our team can join. So this is our stop loss. And the reason why I knew this market will drop more, because this entry had a very had this, okay? This is where our stop loss was. And we had to bring it at least at that point. That's why I gave the stop loss, because we had already tapped. Can you see we got inside here? Okay, and before we had tapped the, can you see this? Okay, market went down, up again. Okay, at least this shows something. Let me show you guys something. I would like to show you something. I talked about something. Refined SMT. Can you see? Can you see that? Can you see that? That's a divergence. Okay, SMT is a divergence. Okay, look at this. Inside what? But happened before our price and time. You can here sell, but price and time. The reason why we use that price and time, it's because we have an order block above here. Okay, so this price and time helps us not to, okay, get to entries and to get the stop losses, and okay. That's the reason why I do say yes, we can get a stop loss, but it's very rare. Even in a week we can fail to get one, because we are trying to we filter our trades. So that was our entry. First TP, don't hold more than this. If you don't know, first TP, this was very close, and that was very close, but we did our standard deviation. Remember guys, we had a standard deviation at this zone, so I'm not going to use the standard deviation. I'm going to go to the weekly and see what we have there, where the low is, because that was where we could stop. We don't have to hold much. Let's just take what is you are given, but and go home. Okay, we cannot hold more than that. Okay, this where we were supposed to go. Okay, so our TP was here, I remember. So I don't want to get to the standard deviation or that. Our TP was somewhere here. Okay, we did our TP because it was one move down there. Okay, the whole day market was going down. Okay, so I'm not going to check the Sakumi thing, because it's the same thing. The same thing. The Sakumi did the same thing. So there are more entries were here. We had more entries here. Here. So this is Sakumi. So we had order block and a fair value gap, market went inside and dropped more. Okay. So I'm not going to get in that. So I would like to check today. I would like to show you this, because I do make sure I follow my chart. So when I wake up, when I get in charts, that's what I draw first. and see what is happening. So one thing, and I always do, I have to check the price at higher time frame. What's going on? So market opened, went down. I have to look for something there before that price. Let's see what's there. Market structure. So market opened, took out that high, broke below here, sold. Okay, and I can see refined zone here. Okay, SMT. Okay, reason why, you can wait things to happen for that you can be sure of what you're doing. So we had this order block, and we have our fair value gap here. Okay, so market went inside, got out, then went back again, took this high. Okay, even do this. You see that high was taken inside that fair value gap. Then market went up to that order block. Okay, so that is a way of confirming now we bearish. So what will be happening at the other side at this time if things are good, are okay? So that was 10. Okay, and at 10 we had this order block. Okay, we did not have any value gap. As we wait, market went to our last price, whereby it's a weekly low. Okay, Valerian, Sedina Maji, bring me some water. Ako busy. Okay. Okay, tell Miriam to bring me some water. Thank you. Msichana anasema ako busy. So when this happened, we were out. Guys, now, like I said, if I were to continue looking for entry, I have to wait to see a liquidity taken. And we took this liquidity. Okay. Look here, we took this liquidity. Here I was out. Here I did not do anything. Nothing. We don't have anything here. We cannot take any trade here. Okay. So we waited till we got this liquidity taken. So you can see it be like it is taken, then it remains there. That these dollars don't get out from that zone. So now we have to go now till our time. The other time is at 4. What was happening at 4? Yeah. 4. Before 4, what we had before 4 is this order block. We have a value gap. No. So market went down, nothing. Market went down. Look here. We had this only value gap here. So this bearish, if market could come here before our time elapse, you see, going down. This was so tricky. I did a risk, guys. I did a risk. We had this value gap. Then, can you see it is between 2 red candlesticks? So I knew when market comes there, I go down. Yeah, I go down, but with a standard deviation 1:3 strictly, because I'm below I'm done with it. Nothing. I was not supposed to do anything. This happens when, like, I know the bears, but now I didn't have an entry, man. Okay, so I went inside here. Do you know where was my stop loss? Above that candlestick. Okay, 1:3. Look here, how to get it from there, stop loss, down to where the market reversed to get to the 1:2. We don't go more than that. I'm telling you guys, trading. Okay, trading. It's very serious. You see? So we are done. We are done. We are done. If our bias gets to our the last low, the last high, the last low, where the liquidity, weekly liquidity is sleeping, if there are more entries, because if a bearish, it's a weak bearish week, like it's on a Tuesday, today's on a Tuesday, so we have a very big way to go the rest of the week. Now the other one was Euro. Do you remember the Euro GBP, guys? Did I give you the signal? I did not. Go and look in my WhatsApp group. I did. I told you. I told you that if market comes down and takes this low, there was a liquidity. There was other liquidity sleeping somewhere that I gave you. Let me see where the liquidity is. It's a big thing, man. It's not a joke. We're not joking, man. Yeah. No, you're not here to joke, Buana. Buana, you're not here to joke, Buana. Yeah? Weekly high. We had liquidity somewhere. Let me see where it is. I think it's not showing me the liquidity. It was somewhere here because I don't think it's in this one. We had two liquidities here. We had this one and this one. And I said, yesterday I said, we going, I think it's in my group. Guys, go, you can go and confirm, by the way. It is in the group. We had this liquidity here. We had two. They were just close to each other. So we had somewhere here, one of it, and the other one was below here. And can you see market? You see the drawing? Okay. Market took this low again after creating that low. We took it like it's a SMT, like people will love the SMT thing. So today we were supposed to look for entry, and I have it. I can post it, by the way. I can post it. Guys, like I said, I cannot share everything because some people here have paid for some these sessions and also local whatever. I can show. Let me show. I'll show it in the group. But already have. Let me show you people. You guys, what is there? I'm not here to joke. No, I'm not here for to do to and you guys don't mind my transport. Yeah? Eurgbp. So everything is in the group. Aha. Okay. So no video. The video will be you'll see it from the group and YouTube. So this is what we had. We knew we could. Now what? Look at this. Euro GBP we are bullish. Okay. Then we took liquidities below. Okay. Okay. Because we opened here. Okay. Let's do this. Let's go to analysis. We have to start where we do start. Analysis. We said we bullish. We have bullish buyers. So it's either we take weekly low. Okay. At H4, this was the weekly low. Okay. So price open Monday, taking the low very fast. Nice one. Okay. So we were to wait at least to see what price will be doing at this period of time. So we took this liquidity. So I said these things are here to guide us. So maybe that's what was, this was my eyes was here to see what will happen to this candlestick. So at least this candlestick on Monday did not, we had at least confirmed that we took the low. We had an liquidity here. So we said when market takes liquidity, start looking for buys. I said that, and people, they were looking for buys. Okay. We were looking for buys. Yeah. So market at this red candlestick, market did not close above it. So we had no opportunity there. We had to wait. Now we woke up today and see what was happening in the market. So this is the thing. We know we were bullish when we close above that line. So let's wake up today and see. Market opened, we were sleeping. Okay. And now when we look here, we can see what price did. Very simple. With that SMT, we were in market to close above this. Okay. Okay. So this is the point. Okay. So now we move this one because this was the price came down. But you can see market broke. We have this high. This is now the SMT smart money concept. People they're using to do entries with it. While instead of using as a conference, they're using as a strategy. We broke above there. Okay. Market went above, went below again here. Okay. Remember, we were waiting for price to close above this zone so that we can be bullish. So if someone look, I'm showing the smart money. What these guys do? Look here. Even price is not stupid. Then it knows how to play with your mind. Market closed above here, okay, and left this value gap. So if you bought here, you had a buy here, you were set. Okay. Just imagine we are here seated waiting to see market closing above here. And now today, market closed. Look here, market closed above this zone. So we have to let's refine this. Let's see what how this market does to play with you. So we were bullish from this one, okay? So let's go and check our window price time. Is it that is the time price? This is the time. That's what we have here, guys. It's very simple like this. Okay, here we go. After this market we got bullish. Okay, we got bullish. Okay, what's this calling? We got bullish from this point. So everything that is at this side was we were supposed to use it as a confirmation. But do you know this was a weekly reversal? Okay, so we have to at least find first to refine our entries. So we had to first confirm. Okay, we had first to confirm if really it's supposed to buy. We cannot enter this market just like that. Okay, so look here, like I said, market will induce the first buyers. Okay, hello, yes, hello. So I had to wait to see market first doing my thing. Okay, doing my thing. Okay, so this is what happened. Mimi napenda hii kitu. Unajua mimi kitu nafanya hapa nakionanga kwa macho. Yaani I don't sifai kufikiria sana. I was not supposed to get in before this price confirms inducing the first buyers, those guys who bought before. And this is where they were. Okay. So as I was waiting, price went down, okay, to this place. They induced these guys. Then now we come at saa kumi ya mchana. It is here. Ya jioni, sorry. That was the time. And already we had reduced these people. Okay. So I was buying above here. So this is where my buy was. That is where my buy was. So, and this is where my stop loss was. So, that is what I have because the video is very long. So I've posted the buy signals at the Telegram group and the WhatsApp group and my YouTube channel. So you can go and check it out. So you can get something that can help